Okay, so I'm going to show you how to cut your short. Yeah, this is a chinos material, so this is the material we're using. First of all, you need to fold your material using your lap measurement. Your lap measurement divided by 2. This is for the front side. My lap measurement for this short is the lap measurement is 26. So I'll fold the material like this using 13 because 26 divided by 2 is 13. So there's a 13 mark like so. See? 13. Then the next thing you do is to mark the full length of your short. And the full length of my short is 19. But this is what I will do first. I will give 2-inch allowance for the folding at the down part. 2-inch allowance. 2-inch allowance for the folding at the down part. Pay attention. Don't be in a hurry. Then I rule my line like this. You see? Voila. Then the next thing we take our full length, the length of the short, which is 19, I told you already. So this is 19, and you mark here like this, and you connect, make a straight line. Like this, you see? So the next thing we are going to do now is to get the cross measurement. Cross measurement. So how I get mine is this. I use the hip measurement. I divide the hip measurement by 4 and I minus the height of the waistband. You understand? I said I divide the hip measurement by 4 and I minus the height of the waistband. So my hip measurement for this measurement is 44, 44, 44. That is 44 divided by 4. 44 divided by 4 will give you 11. 11. Then from the 11 now, we will minus 1.5 inches because that is the height of the waistband I'll be using. 1.5 inches to get the cross length. So this is what I do. 11, right? This is the 1.5. I will take it out of this thing, the line like this, and I will mark the 11. You see? See, making it correct. Even if you want to start from here, you minus the 1.5 from the 11, which is 9.5, or you just push it out like this, 1.5, and mark the 11. Same thing, same length. That's the same length you have. So that's how I get my cross measurement. So I will rule it like this. Like this. I hope you're seeing it very well. Okay, so at this point now, this is like our lap area. This is where we take our lap measurement. So first of all, look at what I am doing. Just follow what I'm doing. Don't worry, the shot will come out very fine. I'll mark the hip measurement is 44. 44 divided by 4 is 11. I'll mark the 11. Yeah, like this. And the lap measurement is 26. 26 divided by 2 is what? 13. So I'll mark 13. Don't use my own measurement to use your own measurement. Or if your own measurement is the same with mine, very simple, you just copy and paste. So you mark like this. Pay attention, pay attention. So the next thing we are going to do now, this is the waist area where we mark our waist measurement. So our waist measurement is 38. 38 is our waist measurement, and you divide the waist measurement by 4 also. So when you divide by 4, you have nine and half. 9.5. When you divide your waist measurement by 4, you have 9.5. So this is 9.5. I mark. And I will give half-inch allowance to that 9.5, which will make it 10. Understand? So I'll mark the 10 like this. This is the 10 mark, this is 9.5 mark. So we'll connect these lines, this one together like this. See, very easy. Everything is coming out nice. So I'll use my French curve. I'll use this my French curve to get the roundness of the brush area like this. See, place it like this. And you connect. I'm trying to, mark it very well so to be showing like this. I hope it is showing very well. Then at this waist area, we will not keep our waist like this. Our waist needs to be slanted a bit. So I will use 1 inch to slant the waist. Are you getting me? I'll use 1 inch to slant the waist. So this is the 1 inch. And I will use this my ruler to slant it like this. You see? Like so. So we are almost done with the front. So the next part we are going to do now is to get the down part of the short. And what we are going to do is this. Now we need to get the center of the short. And this is how you do it. Remember, our lap measurement is 13 inches. You divide this 13 into 2. What do you have? 6.5. If you divide your 13 into 2, you have 6.5. So I'll mark the 6.5 here like this. See, I'll come down here, mark the 6.5 also. And I'll come down, I'll mark the 6.5 also. Just like this. Very simple. I'll connect. You see? So now this is the center, and we want to measure this down part of the short. That's the ankle area where your short will stop, the ankle area. And the measurement for the ankle is 20. This is what we're going to do. 20 divided by 2 is 10 on numb. So 10. We will divide that 10 again by 2. 10 divided by 2 again is 5. This is the 5 mark. 5. You place the 5 on this straight line. Let me do it again. The ankle measurement on this area is 20. We will divide the 20 by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Then we will still divide that 10 by 2, making it 5. We will place the 5 mark on the center like this, and we will mark like this, and we'll mark 10. Yeah, like so. You see? Very simple, right? So we'll connect these lines together. Connect it together like this. Like this, and you can add this one too. Like this. Yeah, so our short is ready. The front part of our short knicker is ready, so I am going to cut it out. Okay, this is it. So now we are going to cut the back part of our shirt. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, so fold our material like this. So if you want to fold your material for the back part of the short, this is what you're going to do. Remember the folding for the front, we use 13 because our lap measurement is 26 and 26 divided by 2 is 13. For the back, you add 5 inches to the 13. So making it what 18, 18 inches. That's how you're going to fold. So fold the back using 18 inches. Okay, let me leave it at now. It's not bad. Okay, so this is it. You place the front on it like this. This side. Place it like this. Make sure at the waist area, the difference between this one and this one is 2 inches. Okay, it is up to 2 inches. So let's start marking. So we'll draw this line out, push it out like this. The lap area will push it out like this. Push it out like so. And we'll mark 4.5 inches. Okay, it is 4.5 inches already. 4.5. The difference between these two is 4.5 inches. The back will be longer than this 4.5 inches. So that's that. Then at the down part, that's the knee area where your short to stop. We'll use 2.5. 2.5 like this. Then we'll connect like this. Okay, that is that. Then the waist area I told you will come up by 2 inches like this. 2 inches. And to get the back waist, let's measure this part. Look at what I'm doing. The back waist will be bigger than the front. The back waist will be bigger than the front by using 2.5 inches. You understand? The back waist will be bigger than the front with 2.5 inches. So this is what I'm doing. I'll mark one is already here. 1 inch is already here. So I'll put 1.5 here at the front. You understand? 1 inch is already here. Then I put 1.5 here. So 1.5 plus 1 inch is 2.5. So that is that. I will now connect it to this point like this. And I will use my French curve to get a curve like so. Okay. So remember we mark 2 inches here. 2 inches. So we'll connect this line now straight down to this place. Connect it down to this place. Don't mind this second marking. This is the second marking I did for the front. So the shock is just showing. Don't mind. This is the real line I'm drawing now. Like this. See?